It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.
YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox.
Hi, it's Nadine, and welcome to another episode of the YOGI MD Toolbox, where I make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. In the next few episodes, we're going to be focusing on using the yoga block to help you get a good stretch. Recall that the yoga block can come in a couple of different standard sizes. You're going to have generally a rectangular yoga block, one that'll be a little bit more narrow, and one that'll be a little bit taller. So I'll show you some applications, mainly focusing on the narrow one. So if you have a rounded upper back, if you're lying down on the floor, sometimes it's hard to let your head relax. And so that's where the yoga block can come in handy. That rounding of the upper back is called kyphosis. So to remove strain from your cervical spine, your neck, you can place the yoga block under your head like a pillow. And this way, you're more comfortable resting on the floor if you're just looking to relax. That's one application. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.
YOGI MD Toolbox. 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 YOGI MD Toolbox.
It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.